The Decor Slim Stone Natural Stone Veneer sheets are flexible, extremely easy to install, and are perfect for quick and clean remodelling works. After taking the necessary measurements, cut the sheets with a circular saw. Use metal snips for more precise cuts. For cutting out interior angles, use an angle grinder. To adhere the sheet to the wall, use the Decor Slim Stone Glue, a high-performance polymer. Spread it with a 2mm notched trowel for full homogeneity. Adhere the sheet to the wall with the aid of a rubber trowel. Once it is in place, apply a waterproofing treatment to help repel water and dirt. If there are any uneven areas, use the Decor Slim Stone Ultralight 100% flexible sheet. The base of the material is Tex, so it's easy to cut with metal snips. A lasting finish that provides dimensional stability.